So I'm back on my raking job where I got the dozer. And, the path is a little muddy, so he left the tractor up here for me to drive back there on. Wasn't that nice? Let's see if I can remember how to use this thing. Steering wheel down. Let's see which one's fast. I don't remember which one was fast. Let's try A. Pick up the loader and the box blade. And I'm gonna say that's not fast. Let's try C. There we go. That's not really super fast either, but there we go. We'll ride back here and get to where the dozer's at. Do some raking this afternoon. We'll see if we can't get a good 3 or 4 hours of raking in. Probably work close till dark, get as much as we can done, and we'll just see what it looks like. And we have arrived. Well, it looks a little different. All those pine trees are coming down. We're just cleaning all the small stuff up first so he can drop those and then cut logs out of them. Yeah, none of that's staying. All that's going bye-bye. Those were all the seed trees that were left when they logged this. Clear cut it, they leave the big trees so that they can drop pine cones and seed out. Well, you end up with all that mess that's pretty much worthless for timber. So that's the last pile we worked on, and he's worked on clearing all that. Looks like he's made a couple piles over there, so let me get a game plan with him and get to work. So I had a talking with him on that last day. I got him to break this stuff up a little bit better and kind of lay it in the direction that I'm going to be pushing it so that it pushes a lot better. So everything looks a little bit more civilized now, and getting all this stuff pushed should go a little bit better, I'm hoping. Looks like it will. I'll set the camera up outside in a minute. We'll get some good video. Well, heck, I'm doing it pretty good just one-handed right now, aren't I? Look at that. Look how much you can push when it's broke up and laying in the right direction. Getting it done. Getting it done. Get some room opened up. I'll set the camera up outside. And the dozer now goes into limp mode. Oh, just phenomenal. More emissions problems. I love it. Absolutely love it. Absolutely ridiculous. Y'all gonna see me in an old Cat D6C before long. I'm telling you. This shit is ridiculous. So I was able to get up with the dealer. They can't make it out here tomorrow, or hopefully the following day. Oh, we're in the red now. I'm gonna try to idle out of here because it's about a, well, you saw how far I had to drive on. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to even. I was gonna try to get it out to the road so that he could at least get his work truck to it. This is what's just absolutely insane with this emissions crap. You'll just be working fine and dandy and it'll just be like, nope, not today. I mean, what if I was actually in a very bad predicament? Luckily, every time that this has happened, it's been out in the middle of a field or something. I don't know, it just goes to show you every brand has problems. I mean, I got friends with Cat equipment who's had problems, and John Deere equipment has had problems, and he's had problems with that Volvo. It's just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. It's going to be the death of this industry is what it's going to be. You can't got nothing you can work with. here it is. I gave him 2 weeks to get all this cleared and try to get up here when I had some free time, and I worked for a whopping 10 minutes. Maybe 20. And then this. And then my schedule's so full, I don't know when I'll have time to get back over here. It just screws up everybody. I'm over it. Might just have to use the tractor since it's the only thing out here that doesn't have DEF fluid on it. Oh, and I'm driving the tractor because I think I got to pull his truck out because the path is a little rough. You gonna try to get turned around and then make it as far as you can? I'll be in front. I'll be in front. You see how deep it is on the tractor, so. Ay, ay, ay. Can't get nothing done these days. Feel like I should maybe drag it with the box blade, see if that helps any. Oh man, it's his job. I'll let him drag it if he wants to drag it. All I know is, well, he can pull those gooseneck. He's got those little gooseneck trailers. They got to haul those logs out, so they're going to load them and then drag them out with this. This is actually what they used to skid with. They got one of those big grapple claws that goes behind it. That's what they actually used to drag wood with before they had a skidder. But it is a goat path. We'll have to do some road work, I do believe. I have a feeling this right here is where he's going to end up at. Stuck, that is. Oh yeah, ain't no way he's gonna make it through there. It ain't gonna happen. Is he gonna make it? Nope. Game over. Here I come. I'm coming to help. Ain't nothing like a good chain. At least there's a good chain here on the tractor. Here we go. I'm gonna say he's gonna have to work on the path a little bit. That and his tires on his truck have about that much tread on them. He calls them, it's his summertime tires. Summertime racing slicks. All right, well, I can get up to here, and I do believe he can make it out from there. And oh, we're sliding into the woods. We got it. I'm not really paying attention. I was just towing. That wouldn't have been good, me just yakking away while I'm skidding him through the woods. Oh gosh. I'll have to ask him about that one. Alright, let's put her in park and go ask him about that experience. So I was just kind of yakking away on camera, and I looked back, and you're like almost
back there blowing the horn.
Were you?
Almost in the trees.
Were you blowing the horn?
Yeah.
I didn't hear a damn thing.
You didn't? I was like, oh god.
I'm just pointing away, just looking away. I look back, and you're like sideways. I'm like, problem. Oh god. Did your, but the good news is your tow mirror didn't get hurt, so that's all that matters. You reckon you can get out from there?
I'm not going to get some tires.
I think you're going to need it because you got more tread with that mud than you do with them tires.
That's true.
So it took about 15 minutes, but I was able to get the dozer up here, and hopefully they can figure out what the world is wrong with it. Oh boy. Well, I don't feel so bad. I got people who got John Deeres who've had problems. I got people who's got cats that got problems, and I've got people with Volvos who's got problems. So one of those things. Dealers getting rich on our sorrows.